Okay, you don't know this was like take 3. Oh my gosh, I keep getting phone calls and squirrels trying to eat the bird food. All right, here we go. So Joyce sent me this sweet, sweet card. Look at the polka dots and the teal. Look at her coloring. Oh, and that's one of their stamps from Peddler's Pack on Etsy. And then she did this on the inside. Oh, so pretty. Thank you, Joyce. Jeez. Because then I have Jane. 2 J's. Look at Jane. Oh, Jane, you look at the little flowers she put on the tree and the bunny sitting there. I love this die. Oh my gosh. Easter greetings. So sweet. And then she wrote on the inside. So, okay. I feel like I'm repeating myself because to me, and you won't know. All right. I have the office supply. Did I need it? No, I don't need anything I get. But I did write down prices, and I'm going to share with you what I got. And, oh, and here's my new glasses. I'm not sure that I have to adjust to them, but the reading part, I don't know. I felt like I was squinting yesterday. So, they're really pretty much like what I had already. Okay, let's get started. So this one was 89 cents. I mean, 89 cents. Look at this butterfly slide. I love the seed. So these are like a foam. There's Happy, little truck. Okay. And then I got this chipboard. This is a chipboard one. And it is, I was never into Maggie Holmes until these American Crafts and Office Supply. Parasol, $1.34. But I just love some of her images now. So, you know, you grow into things. Look at the swan, the little camera. The church is sweet. That'd be good for... Ooh, that's like a real photo. Look at that. Kind of a Tim Holtz looking thing. What? Look at the bunny. Love this. Well, there we go. And then I got Gingham Garden chipboard. Oh, did I say how much I paid for this one? $1.34. Now, some of the prices I looked were up higher. I had like a 10%, I think is what's doing it. But anyway, always go to their coupons at the top. And they have deals. So, it says deals. So, this one is Gingham Garden, $1.21 for all of this. Look at the stamp. And this is chipboard again, not foam. Oh my gosh. A little quail. I'd like quail if they were pink. That'd be fun. Happy and free. Hello. So I'm setting up in my hallway all this stuff that I've been getting. Have it out. I don't have it by like set. I have it just, here's these stickers or whatever. This is a reorder, repurchase. $3.30. Ugh, that wasn't a great deal. I just have used these a few times, so I wanted to get more on cards. I just love those little stickers, so that's what I did. Let me put these back in my box here. Then Paige Evans, Happy Haven, $1. These are just stickers, cardstock stickers. Sorry for the glare. There we go. That's better. Isn't that pretty? Oh, look at the borders. Oh my goodness. So I hope everybody has a good Easter. I've kind of already, oh, there's a chicken. Oh boy. Done my Easter, so don't really have plans. And then next week I go over and see my other kiddos. So, okay, this is Amy Tangerine. And this is like a creative one. It's like Amy Tangerine. Layered paper stickers. I don't think it has a name. Nope. So let's move on. Typewriter. But see what I mean? There's a cup of tea. Camera. Cute clip. Oh my gosh. Scissors. I like those. Ooh, I like that. Life is beautiful. So, yep, there we go. And then these are stickers from Forever Fields. What did I put? $1.97. What does that say? Beloved, remember, family. Love that rose. The bow. Oh, there's a strawberry and a strawberry. A little. So yeah, there we go. I'm done with this stuff, though. I've got more stuff. I could open, like I keep saying, I could open my own store, which sadly is true. Maggie Holmes Forever Fields. This was $1.45, and this is what you get in there. I'm not going to open all these because then I got a mess. Oh, I like the addition card. That's cute. That's old teacher stuff. There we go. So here it gives you a better idea of the size. Isn't that pretty stuff, though? Mm-hmm. Kind of vellum. I like it. This is Maggie Holmes' Parasol. And I paid $1.55, so you get 2 different packets. And here's what comes in it. Like the house. See, I'm always late to the part. Oh, there's lemons. I think the lemons are the new fruit of the summer, the new theme. I don't know. I've decided that. I don't know if it's true. She always has a little house. Got a tag. This gives you a better idea of size of things. So, oh, a bumblebee. I like it. Oh, fun, fun, fun. Okay. And then I got a couple of her cedar house. I think it's her. I don't know. I think Maggie Holmes is cedar. Anyway, doesn't matter. Moving on. And what did I pay for this? $1.19. So, oh, that's retro. Yep, yep, yep. Mixtapes. Remember those? Oh, tickets on there. See, kind of a Hogsworth. Oh. Oh, that's a squirrel, like a star. Anyway. Cedar house again, and I paid $1.73 for this one, so you get your butterflies. It's more woodsy themed, I guess. Birds. Retro. Tape player. Tapes. Cassettes. Bunny. So outdoorsy, yeah. Sort of, but then not. Tapes aren't outdoor. Anywho. Moving on, Kim. Moving on. See, I got more of these. Okay. Let's see. I think I've already bought these, I believe, but I liked them so much and haven't used them, but I had to have them again. $1.87. These are cute. Cute, cute, and more cute. I kind of wish they went up and down. I don't usually go that way, especially on a card or something, but, you know, whatever. Paper clips. There we go. This is Office Depot, if I didn't already say. 82 cents for these cute little Paige Evans Happy Haven. Now, American Crafts is having a We Are Makers sale. So a lot of the stuff that was on the vault that hasn't sold yet is on there. Just saying, if you still want to get it. I don't. I'm not going to. I'm not going to. I see this every time, you know. I have good intentions. And then $3.76. Look at these bright flowers. They're kind of big though, gotta say. But not all of them. Okay, not all of them. All right. Because that's like, oh boy. That's herkin. Herkin, I'm telling you. Aren't those pretty though? Bright colors. $2.76. And I did order extra of some things that I'm putting aside things because I want to have some kind of a challenge or something soon. I owe you guys. You guys are such good supporters. I appreciate you. For 93 cents, Maggie Holmes, Woodland Grove, or Woodland Grove. I don't know. But I like stuff like that. That's good on pages and whatnot. So these are stickers, and you get 2 sides, 2 different sets. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's pretty. Have I ever told you my peacock story? Leave it to me. See a peacock, I got a story. When we first moved out to the country in my old house, I would hear this. It sounded like, help, help. And I'm like, Carl, I think there's a woman or a little child tied to a tree. Because every day I'd come home, help. And then I realized, well, that person would not still be alive. Anyway, it was a peacock farm nearby. Yeah, $1.28. I've always been a little odd, you know. And this is Bo Bunny Colorful Story. Look at all this. Oh, look at the... Ooh, cute. And these come in all these different colors. Okay, okay. This is for $1.29, Life of the Party, so birthday themed. Got a party coming up for my Miss Tori next week. So there we go. She'd like these images. Cute. Cute, cute, and more cute. So some of them are kind of a vellum. And then some of them are just a paper cardstock. Are they stickers? Ephemera. I don't think they're stickers. Doesn't matter. Okay. And then Main Character Energy by Schlemazel. And $1.63. Oh, I keep leaning on the table. It keeps groaning. Sorry. Cute. Very bright. I like it. She and Amy Tangerine are pretty bright colors, so. What's that? Oh, look, it has this right here. I did a video on how to put these on. I don't know. A couple people had asked, and I was like, okay, whatever. I try to keep everybody happy. $1.51. It's really easy. I mean, there's not like it's a scientific method to it or anything. And then when they pop off, I just glue them back on. And I usually the next day, like today, I did put them on yesterday, and today I've been opening boxes and making things, and so a couple of them popped off, and I just glue them back on. No biggie. Okay. So there is these, and these are Dreamer. I like those. Frames, tags, $1.51. Get these. That's like a vellum. Oh, there's that peacock again. Help! You never know what I'm going to talk about on here, do you? Okay, 80 cents. I just thought these were adorable little flowers. They cute. This was Jen Hatfield. Okay. Puffy stickers. Flower Child. I just, 80 cents for that. Okay, and then more Life of the Party for $1.90. So you get 2 packs. Look at those frames. Are they not the cutest? So look. Look, guys. And I also posted yesterday a video of me making a card. I'm going to try to do more of that. It's not the most popular video, but it gets me to make stuff and get to visit with you guys and keeps me motivated. So hopefully you enjoy those. I got more of these because I just love these. They're so pretty. $2.20. So I don't remember what I paid back in the vault days and all that, but anyway. And then Farmstead Harvest. So this is a fall theme to it. Tags. Can you see all that? Sorry, it's too much work. I love you, but so these are all vellum, and I paid $1.67 for this set. But look at this. Isn't that cute? So I will put that with all my stuff. So that, oh, wait, nope, 2 more things. 2 more tools. So I bought that other thing that I think was made for setting like sequins and stuff, and I didn't like it. So I'm trying this one. Quick stick. I think I've had this in the past. It has the stuff in it. And then it has this on the end, and I paid something for it. $4.95 or something. And then this is magnetic glass mat. And I think, so it comes with a, so I'm thinking more of stenciling, but I don't know. Surface, and I think, what did I pay? $9.25, which I think includes 2 easy lift magnets, smooth and precise cutting. What? Oh, so if you wanted to cut with your, no, I don't do that. I've done it before where you cut with your X-Acto knife or painting it. Okay, well, I was thinking more stencils, but anyway, okay, there you go. They can do their thing, I'll do mine. All right. Thank you, Jane and Joyce, for the sweet cards. And I hope you all, if I don't talk to you, which I probably will, there's my squirrel. Oh, it's raining. They're all wet. I'm either mad at them or I love them. Anyway. All right, guys. Take care. Have a great week. Bye-bye.